Okay, okay. Welcome to Shareability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitisamba. In today's video, we shall be able to look at a two-dimension geometry. This is a continuation of our recent videos. We looked at shapes, and in these shapes, we are able to see how we can find the areas of these different sets, if it is a triangle, if it is a square, if it is a rectangle. We saw how we can find the areas of different shapes as seen here. So in today's video, we shall be able to look at the perimeters of these figures. If you are told to find a perimeter, first of all, what does it mean when they talk about a perimeter? What it means? Okay, someone with an idea of defining what a perimeter is. Okay, so in simple term, we say a perimeter. The perimeter of a figure is the measure or a distance around it. You just measure the distance of the shape which is given, then you can be able to know that it has these parameters, the distances around it. So also to find the perimeter of a square, so we shall be able to start with our shape, a square. Okay, so they are saying for us to be able to find the perimeter of a square, we have a direction here. They are saying you add up the four sides, since all the sides of the square are equal. We can also just multiply the length of one side by 4. Okay, so here they are just giving us what the guideline, or how you can find the perimeter of a shape or a square. So they are telling us that we have a square. Remember, a square has both sides equal. Okay, let me show you here. A square has all the both sides equal. Like you have this side, and also have this side, and you also have this side, and also this side. So these sides are all of them equal. So they are telling us that one of the formulas we can use is adding up what? Adding up the four sides. Okay, so that means to come up with the formula, we can say our perimeter, from the statement above, we can say it is the same as side plus sides, okay, plus sides, because they have said we can add up what? We can add up these sides together, and they can be able to give us the perimeter, or the measure, or the distance around this shape. That means if you can be able to add up the four sides of all this shape, then our formula shall be equal to our side plus the side plus side plus side 4 times. Then they are also saying that we can also just multiply the length of one side by 4. This gives us a formula of if we multiply the length by 4, then this means we can say 4 into bracket the length. Okay, 4 into bracket the what? The length. Now if we have been given our length as 7, we shall try to prove all these methods and we see how they work. Our method number 1, if you have our 7 as our length, okay, this means we shall be able to add our 7 plus 7, okay, plus 7. They are going to be plus 7 4 times, because a square has how many sides? Has 4 sides. So when we add up all this, we should be able to come up with our answer. Okay, what is 7 times 4? 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 14 plus 7, that is 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Okay, so our answer is going to be 28. Now we are also going to use this method. They are saying 4 into bracket our length, 4 times the length. Okay, we are getting this 4 because it has 4 sides. Okay, then our length, which is going to be 7. So here we shall be able to say our 4 times 4 times 4 times 7. Okay, 4 times 7, we shall be able to get our answer as 28. So you can see that all the methods gives you what? Gives you a correct answer. Okay, so that means we can use this method also to find the perimeter of a square. Let's look at how we can get the perimeter of another shape, which is a rectangle. Okay, so we have find the perimeter of a rectangle. Then they are saying to find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can just add up to the 4 sides. Okay, okay, here they are saying if it is a rectangle also, you can say our perimeter here is equal to, they are saying you can just add up to 4 sides. That means we shall say our perimeter is equal to p plus p plus p plus p. They are going to be p, these are the sides. Okay, plus, okay, here I'm using p as our sides, but actually this is supposed to be our perimeter is equal to s plus s, standing for the sides, 4 times. Okay, they should be 4 s, which is the 4 sides, where our p is equal to, our perimeter shall be equal to then we shall be able to add these sides. Remember, we have our length and our width, so our length and our width are totally different. So we can say if these sides are equal, we shall say our 4, okay, plus our 2 plus our 4 plus our 2 shall be equal to our what? Our perimeter. What do we get here? That's the 6 plus 6, which is a 12. Alright, so here we can be able to come up with our perimeter as what? As 12. Then there is also another formula which they have talked about here. They are saying our perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. Their meaning, when they say 2L, that means our length, okay, and our width. So we shall be able to say our 2L. This means shall be able to say our 2L. What is our L is 4. Okay, we have our 2L as 4 plus our 2 to what? 2W. 2W is a 2W is a 2W. We have our 2. Okay, okay, let's just write our 2 here. Then we shall be able to come up with our perimeter. When we say 2 times 4, we shall be able to get 8. Then 2 times 2 shall be able to get 4. Okay, so when you add a 4 plus 8, you shall be able to come up with our 12. So all these methods can be able to derive and give us the answer. So for this, I do say thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please be able to subscribe, and so that you can get the upcoming lessons. God bless you. Have a good moment.